Welcome to Techno. Let's find out how to calculate the timer value for 8051 microcontroller. That is the value that has to be inserted inside the timer registers of 8051 microcontroller. This is the timer register for timer 0 of 8051 and this is the timer register for timer 1 of 8051. So we have to find out the value which has to be inside this registers for a given delay. Okay, this is the control logic of timers module of 8051. This is the control logic. Here we can see that the external oscillator frequency is divided by 12 for this timer input. That is, the timer frequency is exactly the value which is divided by the 12. Here it is because of for 8051 the machine cycle is equal to 12 clock cycle. That is for 8051 microcontroller one machine cycle is the 12 clock cycle of the oscillator. So the timer frequency is divided by 12 before applying into its input. If the external oscillator frequency is 11.0592 MHz, then the clock frequency will be 11.0592 MHz divided by 12. And the answer will be 921 kHz. That is, the clock frequency for this external crystal frequency is 921 kHz. So we get the clock frequency as 921 kHz. If we have the frequency, then we can find out the time period. That is, the time period of a timer is the time taken by the timer to count a tick. That is, the time taken by the timer to make a tick is the time period of the timer. From this frequency, we can find out the time period as T is equal to, we know that the time period is always equal to the reciprocal of the frequency, that is T is equal to 1 by F, that is equal to 1 by 921 kHz. That is, the answer will be equal to 1.85 microsecond. 1.85 microsecond. Then the timer tick will be equal to 1.85 microsecond. The timer tick will be equal to 1.85 microsecond. Okay, then for a delay, we can find out the total delay in terms of the timer tick. That is, timer delay is equal to what? Timer count into timer tick. Timer count into timer tick. Then we have to find this timer count, that is the count is equal to delay divided by tick. Count is equal to delay divided by tick. This is the timer count. But the value we have to be inserted inside the register is the register value that will be calculated as timer maximum value minus the count value. The reason behind is that the timer of 8051 is an up counter. That is, the timer will start counting from the value that we have inserted inside the timer registers. That is TH0 or TL0 for timer 0 register. That is, the timer will start counting from this value that we have inserted inside these registers to the maximum value. So we have to find out the register value as timer maximum value minus the count value. This is the XR value. Okay, then we know that the maximum value for a timer register is, if it is 16-bit timer, then the maximum value will be FFFFH. It is the hexadecimal value. The decimal value for this FFFFH is equal to 65535. So the maximum value is 65535. Exact timer delay, we have to find out the value. That is, we have to take the maximum value, one value greater than this value. That is, we have to take the value, maximum value of timer as 65536. That is That is, we have to take one value greater than the maximum value of that register. That is 65536 is the value that we have to inserted in this equation, and we have to find the register value. That will be the exact value for the register value. Okay.